Wait, seriously.
No, did you hear that? I'm serious, Julie. Wait, we gotta get out.
Another crazy little rats.
Wait, people are literally running outside.
We're not kidding.
Literally, the building over there is there's a flame. There's flames on the 11th floor.
Well, no wonder I would too if there was an earthquake like that.
What?
Yeah. I would too.
You would too? What?
We run for cover.
If
From you two.
you'd run for cover from us?
Yes.
Why?
There is a serious, like a fire alarm keeps going off.
Let me hear it again, huh? Aw.
We're not in control of the fire drill.
Where is it now?
I don't shit.
You too!
No, seriously, Julie.
I heard that.
You heard what?
What?
I hear that.
We gotta go.
You. Oh.
Julie, we have to evacuate. Seriously. Come on. There's people
Turn
running
off that
outside.
computer and then make me evacuate. Let me see then.
What?
Shoo.
Julie, if we had to, like, if there was a serious fire we had to evacuate, what would you grab?
I would stay right here on this bed.
Why?
I wouldn't let your games